Let's create a pump housing today using NX CAD. And this we are going to use a typical type of pump housing. Okay, and this let us relocate using NX CAD. Let us think about it. Reverse engineering. Okay, we have that 2D drawing with us, so we have to make part drawing as per the 2D drawing. Let's start with the sketch. In this case, a sketch in the front plane. Okay, and this sketch will be drawn used for the profile along which the pipe will be created. That is at a distance of 140 mm in the y-axis and 90° to the horizontal. Okay, and then next one is I think this is 148 by 180, and but this one let's change it to 160 then. I think it's right. And after that we cannot create pipe in the sharp corners. As be aware, we have to create a fillet. That fillet is 60 mm radius. Now this profile is good to you. Okay, now let's finish the sketch and simply insert a new feature in the sweep function, tube. Okay, this tube will have outer diameter of 72 by 60 mm, and yes, nothing required. Nothing else is required in this first piece of pipe. That's it. We have created the pipe. Okay, this is a tube. You see, a tube with hollow sections, and the one more tube. For that, let's create another sketch in the right plane. Okay, and that sketch at a distance of, let's see, and give this one, let us keep it 80 mm, or let's just check it whether this is 80 mm. This should be this one we are creating now. This one should be 80 mm and 56 outer dia by inner dia 42. Okay, 80 mm, and this constraint is, I think it's 46, right? And I have to do it properly. Okay, it's 80 mm. No, it's 46 by 80. Okay, and what else in this case? That's it. Let's see the other way around. Let's finish this sketch and create the tubing. Okay, go to menu, insert, sweep, and tube. That one. Now the changing. The minor die is, oh my goodness, minor die is 42 by 56. 42, 56. Let's make this piece of the tube to unite because we are creating design drawing. Okay, design requirement drawing. Man position drawing will have this part separate part, this one separate part, and there will be a welding applied here. Okay, and what else? The other sketch in this front plane again. This is for another pipe, and okay, and this pipe at a distance of 70 mm. Yes, and away from the x-axis at 80 mm height. Okay, let's finish this sketch and see the inner and outer dia. Outer dia 36, 24. So let's go back to tubing, and in the tubing it should be 24 by 36. Okay, let's again use this boolean to unite with the body. Let's see that. That's it. We have created the piping. Now let's see one more aspect. Okay. Now we are going to create the flanges. For that again, let's create a sketch in this plane. Okay. In the top plane, let's create the sketch and let's draw a line. Okay, on the horizontal axis. So distance is 120 mm. Yes, and let's make use of the symmetric, make symmetric. These 2 points should be symmetric to this vertical axis. Apply. Okay, and then let's make this line. Let's make this line display as a reference only. And then let's draw a circle at a diameter of 20 mm on the both the ends, and the another circle, okay, at the center point of escape. Okay, with in this point and at a diameter of 40 now at both ends. Okay, another circle at the midpoint at a diameter of 84. I think the star is fine in this case. Then let's draw a line on the curve, tangent C applied, and on the curve, point on the curve. From point on the curve, I think between the two circles, a tangent line between the two circles. This line is tangent to two circles. Okay, then let's trim the unwanted, not required line segments to get the sketch profile for extruding. This one, let's delete it. This one, let's delete it. Okay, let's finish the sketch and extrude it by 10 mm. Okay, Let's see. Yeah, it goes up. That's okay. Apply. Let it get united. Apply. Is this okay? And one more thing, we can do it in the sketch so that there will not be any problem. Let's create this circle also of diameter 60 mm, right? Because we need it anyway. See, that open out will come. Okay, now in this, we are going to create an extrude again. It works right in this. Okay, now this sketch will have the similar profile. Done. And this one is 120 mm. 120 mm. Yes. Okay, and this time it is not. Okay, let's cancel it. Let's cancel the sketch then. Cancel it. Cancel it. Let's delete the sketch. Let's draw a sketch. Then you see the difference. We are going to create a sketch on this. Okay. Let's create the sketch. Okay, sketch on task environment. And this one is 120 mm. Yes. And now this is 120 mm. And from the end point, start point to this edge is now, remember it's 160, right? 160 minus 60, maybe 100. Yes. And let's draw a circle at the end point at a diameter of 20 and at both ends. And another circle at a diameter of 40 at both the end points. Okay. And another circle at the midpoint at a diameter of 84. And one more circle at the midpoint at a diameter of 60. That's it. Escape. Then let's draw a line from these to this circle, a tangent line between two circles. Okay, this is what the modern software's automatic constraints. Okay, and then let's create or trim the unwanted segments in the profile so that we can get a closed profile without any interfering profiles. Okay, oh, let us trim this also. Let's trim this also. Okay, I think that's it. Close it. This sketch is not properly placed because it's not. Let's make the circle center point so that insert it. Where is the line? That line gone. Okay, let's finish it. Let's see the feeling of our design. Okay, let's extrude. What is this? Okay, in the reverse direction. Okay, and sketch it. That's it. We have created the pipe. Okay, then let's apply. Let's see. No, we are not yet completed. You see, these things stuff needs to be removed, right? For that, in the design, let's create a extrude by selecting this profile. Okay, let it go up to 100 mm. Just subtract from the main body. Let's see the result. It's gone, but there is no opening out, right? So for that, again, let's create two more subtractions, but in reverse direction. This one should be somewhat 70 mm. Okay, that's through. Now, okay, apply. And this one again, let's create one more subtraction in the reverse direction at some 65 mm. Okay, okay. That's it. We have created the piping part drawing, and there are a lot more features in this, but let's finish with this part drawing. This is 4 fillet radius, and the edge blend. This one is called edge blend in NX CAD. Okay, that's all. We have created. Okay, the piping design using NX CAD. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching this. But this tubing feature will be useful for creating very interesting concepts like chassis, frames, so many stuffs for your piping projects.